Instancing allows you to add stuff from other scenes into your current scene. So let's dive into Godot. So I have my main scene here, and I have my second scene here, which is a label that shows how much you earn when you click the banana. And I want to add this scene inside of this scene. And one way to do that is to hit the chain symbol, instance child scene, and then search for earn label, which is the name of that scene. And now I have it in my scene. If I right click on it and hit editable children and animation player and go into the animation and play it, I can see it. That's one way to do it, and the most common way people do it is through code. So first you want to make a variable where you give it a name and you preload the path to the scene that you want to instance. In this case, it's in the scenes folder, and then the name is earnLabel.tcn. And then you add another variable. You can call it whatever you want to. I call it instance. And then wherever you add it, you make instance equal the earnLabel, which is the preload. And then you add a child to the scene. And inside of the parentheses, you add the instance. And then in my case, I'm calling a function from the scene, which is the instance. Then you can do all sorts of things. For example, in this case, I'm setting its position to the mouse position, and I can show an example of how it looks. So if I play my scene now, and if I click on the banana, you will see a 1. And that's how you instance in Godot. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.